Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Today, we are in Charlotte, North Carolina, touring the beautiful community of Westwood Reserve by David Weekley Homes. So, if you have been searching for low-maintenance living without sacrificing style or convenience, then you are definitely going to want to stick around for this one. Westwood Reserve offers thoughtfully designed two-story townhomes starting from the upper 300,000s with floor plans ranging from approximately 1,598 to over 1,700 square feet. This community will feature a total of 239 townhomes with 3 distinct floor plans, all built on a spacious 22-foot wide home site design that gives homeowners a little extra room to enjoy. One of the things I love most about this community is the lifestyle it offers. Residents will be able to enjoy future amenities, including a resort-style pool, outdoor gathering spaces, a community center, pickleball courts, dog parks, sidewalks throughout the neighborhood, and beautifully maintained grounds, all included with the HOA, which is currently $158 per month. For those who enjoy spending time outdoors, you will appreciate being just minutes from Lake Norman, several nearby parks, and even golf courses within 5 miles. Location is another major highlight. Westwood Reserve offers easy access to I-77, and you are only a short drive from the Charlotte Douglas International Airport, making commuting and travel convenient. Now, let's take a look at the home we are touring today, the Tundra floor plan. This floor plan is currently priced at approximately $382,220 and offers 1,750 square feet of living space with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an oversized 2-car garage. As soon as you step inside, you are greeted by bright, open concept living spaces that create an inviting and welcoming first impression. The family room and the dining area flow seamlessly together, making this home perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. At the heart of the home is a stylish and functional kitchen featuring a large center island. The thoughtful layout maximizes both functionality and elegance while maintaining that open, airy feel today's buyers are looking for. Upstairs, you will find the spacious owner's retreat, a true private sanctuary complete with an ensuite bath and a large walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms offers flexibility for family members, overnight guests, or even a dedicated home office. So, if you are looking for new construction in Charlotte that combines convenience, low maintenance living, and quality craftsmanship from a builder with more than 50 years of experience, Westwood Reserve may just be the perfect place to call home. If you would like more information about this community, builder incentives, or representation for your new construction purchase, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.